Morning, dear students. In the previous class, we already learned about the 8 marks questions, which are very important for IP 2021. So, the first question we already learned about the root modifications, then after stem modifications, then after the racemose inflorescence. Then after the three questions, today we are going to learn about the mature embryo sac and the importance of synergies. If you take this is polygonum or model embryo sac. If you take one pistil is like this, So here if you take, this is the ovary, so it is the ovules will be present. So this is, if you take this one structure, what happens here? So in the ovule, actually ovule is surrounded by one or two integuments. So then after the small space is there, this is called micropolar end or micropyle. So opposite to this pole is called chalaza or calaza. The integuments are not surrounded total, they leave a small place for the entry of pollen tube. So based on this, that is the model structure of a ovule. If you come to the ovule, what happens here? The beside the all space is called nucellus, which is surrounded by integuments. In those nucellus, only one cell modifies లేదా మార్పు చెందుతుంది. One cell modified into MMC, megaspore mother cell. What happens? This megaspore mother cells undergoes reduction division. As a result, it forms 4 nucleus or 4 cells. In these 4 cells, 3 cells will be disappear and 1 cell grows and forms into embryo sac. So hence it is monosporic embryo sac. Why? Because 1 cell has been developed into embryo sac. If you come to embryo sac, what happens? This only 1 cell undergoes 1 mitotic division. You have to remember here, the first what happens is the meiosis or reduction division occurs. The 1 cell happened. This 1 cell undergoes 1 mitotic division. As a result, 2 cells. These 2 cells will undergo again 1 mitotic. As a result, 4 cells. Then after this goes another mitotic division. As a result, there is a happens of 8 cells. 8 nuclei will be. In those 8 nuclei, 3 nucleus will be transferred to the one polar end and other 3 nuclei transfers into the chalazal end. In the center, 2 nuclei will be. Then after, the cell wall produces the 3 nucleus which are present in the micropolar end or micropyle end. Then the center cell has become big in size. It forms as into egg. The side 2 cells are present. Those are called synergids or synergids. What is the use of synergids? The walls of the polar walls of the synergids are thickened and they form like a చూషకాలు లేదా ఫింగర్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ which are called filiform apparatus. This filiform apparatus will use to what you call అది పరాగ రేణువులకు లేదా పరాగ 2 పురుష బీజ కణాలకు ఎగ్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చూపిస్తుంది. So these two synergids filiform will guide the two male gametes into the egg apparatus. It forms into fertilization. So this is the importance of these two synergids. లేదా మధ్యలో ఉండే స్త్రీ బీజ కణము ఆ పక్కన ఉండే రెండు అనుబంధ కణాలు అంటారు. ఈ రెండు అనుబంధ కణాల బాహ్య పోలారి త్వచము మందంగా ఉండి ఒక పూసల మాదిరిగా ఫిలిఫారం అనేటువంటి ఆపరేషన్ ఏర్పరుస్తుంది. ఈ ఆపరేటర్స్ పురుష బీజ కణాలకు స్త్రీ బీజ కణాలను చేరుకోవడంలో సహాయపడతాయి. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 cells లేదా 3 nucleus will transfer to other chelazal end, they become antipodals. Here we see the center, there are 2 nucleus are present. Those are called polar nuclei. Hence, if you see a matured embryo sac, there will be 8 nucleus and 7 cells will be present by the result of 1 reduction division and 3 mitotic divisions. So this you have to remember this all. In Prasad ఇస్తుంటారు how many divisions will be occur అన్నప్పుడు 1 meiosis or reduction division will be occur in the MMC లేదా మైక్రో megaspore mother cell and 3 simultaneous mitotic cells divisions will be occurs. As a result, 8 nucleus will be present in the embryo sac. So this is one's model embryo sac or polygonal embryo sac. Just you go through the, I will teach after 5 minutes.